If your physique looks flat from the front and narrow in close, you're probably missing one muscle, the side delts. Most people focus on chest and arms, but ignore the muscle that actually makes you look wide. If you want that dominant vtaper look, you need to build your medial delts properly. Here are 3 exercises that will instantly make your shoulders look wider. First, leaning lateral raises. Instead of standing straight, hold on to something and lean slightly away. This changes the angle and puts maximum tension on your side delts. Raise the dumbbell out to the side, control the movement, and don't swing. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Second, face pulls. This is one of the most underrated exercises for shoulder width. Pull the rope toward your face, elbows high, and focus on squeezing your rear delts and upper back. This not only builds your rear delts, but also fixes your posture, which instantly makes you look bigger. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Finally, Pike Push-ups. This is a bodyweight movement that builds serious shoulder strength. Keep your hips high, lower your head toward the floor, and push back up. This targets your front delts and supports overall shoulder development. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. If you combine these 3 exercises consistently, your shoulders will start to look wider, rounder, and more dominant. And that's what creates the vtaper physique. Train smart, stay consistent, follow for more real results.